Andarki namaskaram. Let us start today's Telugu speaking class. In yesterday's class, we learned how to make sentences, how to conjugate the verbs, especially with the remaining personal pronouns like he, she, it, they, we. So all those things we discussed. So today we are going to learn how to make negative sentences in the three tenses: past tense, present tense, and simple future tense. Let me copy this one as a template, then I will make changes while explaining. If you want to copy the text in Word format or like that, I have given the web page link. From there you can copy and practice. So it will be negative sentences in simple past tense, present continuous tense, and simple future tense using 50 most commonly used verbs. Okay, so these things, let it be like this, so we can repeat, not a problem. Then the first one, ask. Okay, in the negative form, the English sentence will be like this: I didn't ask. I didn't ask. So the meaning will be like this: Nenu adaga. Adugu becomes aduga ledu. Aduga ledu. Okay, so here aduga ledu, or you can also say adaga ledu. Both are correct. Just to keep that a sound, adaga, same, we can change this one to a. Nenu adaga ledu. But if you say nenu aduga ledu, also correct. Okay. Then for the other one, it will be nuvu. So I'll just copy this one for the other things. Atadu adagaledu. Nenu adagaledu. It is not do. It sounds like do. Adagaledu. Okay. So this will be here adaga ledu. Nuvu adaga ledu. It is same. Okay. Adaga ledu. It will not change in the negative form. It remains same. Ledu ending always same for any subject. Meeru adaga ledu. This is for plural. Atadu adaga ledu. We don't change. Just this is very important. This is according to the subject. In the negative form, we don't make any changes at the end. Okay, it remains same for all the subjects. Atadu adaga ledu. Ame adaga ledu. I will also change the English sentences. Let me copy the Telugu sentences first, then I will make the changes in English sentences. Varu adagaledu, memu adagaledu. Okay, so let me change the English sentences. You didn't ask. You didn't ask. He didn't ask. She didn't ask. It didn't ask. They didn't ask. We didn't ask. This is the procedure for conjugation for the simple past tense negative form. Okay, now let us see the present continuous tense. I am not asking. I am not asking. Okay, so it will be nenu adagadam ledu. You need to remember this dumb sound, or dumb sound. You need to remember that one in this continuous tense. Nenu adagadam ledu. There are few more variations. When you go to the intermediate level or advanced level, you will find the variations and you can easily learn. But for now, we are just focusing on the common things at very basic level. Okay. Nenu అడగడం లేదు. అడుగడం లేదు or అడగడం లేదు. Both are correct. To make that a sound same, we can use అడగడం. Okay, so here let me keep all these things in red, the changed part, so you can focus more. Okay, so only here the in red color part you need to focus. Then here I am not asked. Okay, first let me change the English sentences. You are not asking. Okay, you are not asking. Then you are not asking. He is not asking. She is not asking. It is not asking. They are not asking. We are not asking. So the meaning will be like this. నేను అడగడం లేదు. నువ్వు అడగడం లేదు. It is same. నువ్వు అడగడం లేదు. There is no change. మీరు అడగడం లేదు. అతడు అడగడం లేదు. ఆమె అడగడం లేదు. It is easy to learn because we don't make any change for different personal pronouns in this category, in negative category. వారు అడగడం లేదు. మేము అడగడం లేదు. Okay. Now let's move to the future tense, simple future tense. I will not ask. I will not ask. So let us see. You will not ask. You will not ask. Let me copy all not here, all nots here. Then we will make the translation. It will not ask. They will not ask. We will not ask. Okay. Now, నేను అడగను. So అడగను. It will be like this. Aduganu also correct, but just to bring that a sound, to maintain that a sound, we can make the change here also. Nenu adaganu. Okay. So here, in this tense, we maintain that conjugation. Okay, that you need to remember. Okay. Nenu adaganu. I will not ask. Okay. You will not ask. Nuvu adagavu. The ending part we change according to the personal pronoun ending. నువ్వు అడగవు. మీరు అడగరు. అతడు అడగడు. He will not ask. Okay. ఆమె అడగదు. Here it is not e, it is u sound. అడగదు. Little variation is there in negative form. Okay. అది అడగదు. Not the. For the positive sense, we end with the e sound for the subject she or it. They will not ask. Varu adagaru. We will not ask. Memu adagamu. This is the difference you need to remember. Okay. Now let's move to the remaining verbs. Okay. So now onwards, I'm not going to make the sentences for every subject. I'll just translate only the first one, like nenu, then the meaning according to the verb. So other things you can do practice, and while practicing you can apply the same style. For the simple past tense and present continuous tense, follow this style. The ending won't change. Then for the simple future tense, you maintain the end sound from the subject. Okay. But if you use, yesterday I mentioned, if you use a name, you need to think for that name, which personal pronoun we use. For example, Prasad. Prasad will not ask. This is the sentence. Prasad will be in, if you change Prasad to personal pronoun, you use Atadu. Okay. So for Atadu, do is ending. So you need to use like this. Prasad adagadu. Like that, you need to think and translate in real life situation. This is only for structure purpose. I mentioned like this. Okay. Now let us translate the meanings for the other verbs, the remaining 50 verbs. Nenu. Here, nenu avvaledu. Nenu avaledu or avvaledu, both are correct. Avu becomes avvaledu. Okay. This one. Nuvu avvadam ledu. For example, you are not becoming a doctor. Nuvu doctor avvadam ledu. I didn't become doctor. Nenu doctor avvaledu. Okay. Nenu avvanu. It will be avvanu. Okay. So for other subjects, you can change while practicing. Okay. Now, prarambhinchu becomes nenu prarambhinchaledu. Prarambhinchaledu. So here I'm just changing. Nenu prarambhinchaledu. So I need to add here some spelling error. Nenu prarambhinchadam ledu. So here also we'll make little change. Prarambhinchadam ledu. Nenu prarambhistu unnanu becomes nenu prarambhinchanu. Prarambhinchanu. Okay. Carefully observe how we are conjugating from the base form. Okay. You need to apply same style while conjugating. Okay. Now, piluchu in negative form, it becomes pilavaledu. Pilavaledu. Nenu pilavadam ledu. Nenu pilavanu. Okay. So later, whenever you come across a verb with this ending, you need to apply the same style. Okay. Next one. Nerchukonu. Nerchukonu becomes nerchukoledu. Nenu nerchukoledu. I didn't learn. Okay. Nenu nerchukovadam ledu. Nerchukovadam ledu. I'm not learning. Nenu nerchukonu. Nerchukonu. Nenu nerchukonu. I will not learn. Okay. Simple sentence. Nenu nerchukonu. Next one. Come. Vachu. Here we will have little differently in the negative form. Like other verbs, we don't use same structure. We use little differently. Let me explain. Nenu raledu. We don't say nenu vachaledu. We use the imperative version. Nenu raledu. Okay. Raledu. This one. Nenu ravadam ledu. Nenu ranu. Okay. Next one. Vrayu. So vrayu becomes vraya ledu. I didn't write. Nenu vraya ledu. This will be nenu vrayadam ledu. This will be nenu vrayanu. Vrayanu. Okay. Cheyu becomes cheyaledu. Nenu cheyaledu. I didn't do. Okay. Nenu cheyadam ledu. I am not doing. Nenu cheyanu in imperative, in negative form, simple like simple future tense. I will not do. Nenu cheyanu. Feel we will not use in sentence. We'll make separate lesson for that. Find. Okay, I can use the same word, then I can conjugate, but in real life situations, for example, I did feel, the meaning will be different, but that one you can learn in the vocabulary part from other videos. But for the conjugation purpose, I can use this meaning, then I can conjugate like nenu abhipraya padaledu. I didn't feel. Nenu abhipraya padaledu. The meaning may be different, but as per the conjugation, it's okay to use this structure. Nenu abhipraya padadam ledu. Next one. Nenu abhipraya padanu. This is for the conjugation purpose. We can. This sentence also correct. In some context, you can use. Kanugonu becomes, for example, if you want to say, I didn't find, nenu kanugonaledu. This one also, in real life situations, the meaning may be different, but for the conjugation purpose, we can learn like this. Nenu kanugonaledu. Nenu kanugonaledu. Okay? Nenu kanugonadam ledu. The next one, nenu kanugonadam ledu means I am not finding. Nenu kanugonadam ledu. I am not finding. Nenu kanugonanu. I will not find. Kanugonanu. Next one, get. Okay. So get will be like this. I didn't get. Nenu pondaledu. I am not getting. Nenu pondadam ledu. Next one, nenu pondanu. Nenu pondanu. Okay. Give. Give means ichu. So ichu becomes I didn't give means nenu ivvaledu. Okay. I am not giving means nenu ivvadam ledu. Ivvadam ledu. Okay. Now, next one. I will not give means nenu ivvanu. Nenu ivvanu. Next one, go. I didn't go. I didn't go means nenu vellanu. Nenu vellaledu. Sorry. Vellaledu. Okay. I didn't go. Nenu vellaledu. I am not going means nenu velladam ledu. Nenu velladam ledu. I will not go means nenu vellanu. Yesterday we learned something like I went, past tense. Okay. For the past tense, it sounds like nenu vellanu. Okay, nenu vellanu. Sound after last sound. Okay. But in this form, like future tense, negative, simple future tense, negative, it will be short vowel sound. Nenu vellanu. Nenu vellanu. I will not go. So I will not go means nenu vellanu. I went means nenu vellanu. With that long vowel sound and short vowel sound, the meaning will be completely different, like positive, negative. Okay. Nenu vellanu, positive in past tense. Nenu vellanu, negative, future tense, like I will not go. This is the difference. It sounds little same, but the meaning is different. have కలిగి ఉండు. For example, I had, నేను కలిగి, I didn't had, నేను కలిగి ఉండలేదు, కలిగి ఉండలేదు. This is word to word translation, but have word has several meanings in spoken Telugu. So that one we will learn when we focus on this verb separately. కలిగి ఉండలేదు. Okay, next one, నేను కలిగి ఉండడం లేదు. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, నేను కలిగి ఉండను, నేను కలిగి ఉండను. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ హియర్, విను. ఓకే, నేను వినలేదు. ఓకే, ఐ డిడెంట్ హియర్, నేను వినలేదు. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ హియరింగ్, నేను వినడం లేదు, నేను వినడం లేదు. I will not hear, నేను వినను. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, హెల్ప్. I didn't help, నేను సహాయం చేయలేదు. So always remember how we are conjugating. సహాయం చేయు becomes సహాయం చేయలేదు in past tense negative. In the continuous form it will be నేను సహాయం చేయడం లేదు. Okay, now the other one, like I will not help. If you want to say that kind of sentence, like simple future tense, simple future tense negative, it will be నేను సహాయం చేయను. Do not get confused by seeing the previous sentence. You observe the previous sentence only, then you can easily find the difference. Okay, నేను సహాయం చేయను, I will not help. Next one, keep. నేను here we will have little variations. Okay, you can say ఉంచను or ఉంచుకోలేదు. The difference between ఉంచుకోలేదు, ఉంచను, we may learn later when we make sentences. But for the conjugation purpose, you can say నేను ఉంచలేదు. Sorry, ఉంచలేదు. This will be the meaning. I didn't keep. నేను ఉంచలేదు. ఉంచు becomes ఉంచలేదు. Next, I'm not keeping means నేను ఉంచడం లేదు, నేను ఉంచడం లేదు. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, నేను ఉంచను. ఉంచు బేస్ ఫామ్, I will not keep becomes నేను ఉంచను. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, తెలుసుకోను. ఓకే, తెలుసుకోను becomes in the sentence form we say like this, I didn't know. Actually the meaning may be different, but I didn't know. But for the conjugation purpose we can conjugate like this, నేను తెలుసుకోలేదు. Next one, I'm not knowing. This format we may not use in English as per the grammar, but the conjugation will be like this, నేను తెలుసుకోవడం లేదు, తెలుసుకోవడం లేదు. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, I will not know. నేను తెలుసుకోను, తెలుసుకోను. I will not know, నేను తెలుసుకోను. The next one, leave. నేను I didn't leave means నేను వెళ్ళలేదు, వదిలి వెళ్ళలేదు. సో వదిలి వెళ్ళలేదు. Okay, this one, I'm not leaving means నేను వదిలి వెళ్ళడం లేదు. I will not leave means నేను వదిలి, sorry, 1 minute, I'll keep this one center. Okay, నేను వదలి వెళ్ళను. I will not leave. నేను వదలి వెళ్ళను. Next one, let, అనుమతించు. So I didn't let, like that. If you want to make in English, maybe the meaning sometimes it will be different, but as per the conjugation we can learn like this. If you want to conjugate అనుమతించు in the past tense negative, it will be నేను అనుమతించలేదు. నేను అనుమతించలేదు. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, నేను అనుమతించడం లేదు. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ లెట్టింగ్. నేను అనుమతించడం లేదు. ఓకే, I will not let him go, or like that. If you want to make any sentence, you can use this structure. నేను అనుమతించను. నేను అనుమతించను. లైక్, I didn't like. నేను ఇష్టపడలేదు. నోటి, ఇష్టపడలేదు. ఓకే, ఓకే, నేను ఇష్టపడలేదు. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ లైకింగ్ మీన్స్ నేను ఇష్టపడటం లేదు. పడటం లేదు. నేను ఇష్టపడటం లేదు. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, నేను ఇష్టపడను. ఐ విల్ నాట్ లైక్, ఆర్ ఐ డోంట్ లైక్ ఆల్సో గివ్ సేమ్ మీనింగ్. ఇష్టపడను. నేను ఇష్టపడను. లివ్ మీన్స్ నివసించు. I will not live in Hyderabad. For example, if you want to say like that, no, this one past tense. So I didn't live in Hyderabad. So it will be నేను నివసించలేదు. హైదరాబాద్ లో నివసించలేదు. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ లివింగ్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్. నేను హైదరాబాద్ లో నివసించడం లేదు. నివసించడం లేదు. See how we are conjugating. నివసించు became నివసించడం. Then లేదు. నేను I will not live in Hyderabad. నేను హైదరాబాద్ లో నివసించను. నివసించు became like this. నివసించను. Look means చూడు. చూడు becomes చూడలేదు. We don't say చూచలేదు. We say చూడలేదు. Little difference is there in the conjugation part. నేను చూడలేదు. I didn't look. I'm not looking. నేను చూడడం లేదు. చూడడం లేదు. I will not look. నేను చూడను. నేను చూడను. Okay. Okay. So these things I will keep in red color. We will make the changes in the next session, because now I think we took almost 30 minutes time.